Now let's talk about timers. Timers are time-based triggers that let you control when events occur in your story. There are two different types of timers, normal timers and repeated ones. We will test both of them. Now let's quickly jump into the timers management and create our first timer. Every timer has a name. Let's call this one-off timer. And you can decide if it's repeatable. This one will not be repeatable. And we will set a duration of 3 seconds. Now let's create another timer. This one will be repeated every 1 second. And let's add a duration of 1 second. We can also add a maximum duration. This means that the timer will be stopped automatically after the given amount of time. But let's just ignore this for now and jump into a scene. Now we will use this scene here for a little demonstration. Let me quickly add one character. For example, Maria. And let's place her here. We will hide her by default, save this, and then we will add an event to the scene. We will add the event when the player enters the scene. And we don't need a name. Ignore everything here. We will just add an action and we will start a timer. And it will be our one-off timer. Now let's add another event and we will use a timer trigger. For this timer, we will use timer has expired. We will use our one-off timer. So what this will do now is when we enter the scene, the timer will start and then we will react when the timer has finished after 3 seconds. And in this case, we will show the element. Save this and go back to our scene. Now let's quickly check if it works. She is not here. And after 3 seconds, she appears. Great. Now let's do the same thing with our repeat timer. Again, she will be hidden by default. We will change our event. Let's go here, change it. And we will start the repeated timer. And now let's jump into events. Timer has expired. We will use another trigger here. Timer interval has been triggered and we will use our repeated timer. Save this and instead of just showing the element, we will toggle it. That means we will switch visibility back and forth. Okay, let's do this. Now, what will happen is we will enter the scene, then we will start our repeated timer, and for every interval, we will toggle the visibility of the character. Let's jump into the scene and test this. And as you can see, she switches back and forth with every second ticking. You can use timers for basically for animations, for countdowns, for recurring effects or time choices, mainly to add pacing and urgency to your gameplay, or for simple little animations to make a scene look more alive. And that's basically everything you need to know right now about timers.